So it's quite chilly in here today for a day in April. It's actually snowing out, not heavily. But what we're going to focus on today is folding over these doors. I've done this every year I've gone to Meltdown. I find it helps out quite a bit. It does say in the rules you can do it. So we're going to do it and see how well she looks. So what I do is I just take a hammer, fold down the back side, and then I fold down the front side, and I slowly clamp it, and then I weld it. So let's get this thing going, and we can see what we can look like here at the end. Whew. So we got the rear doors fully welded shut. Well, fully welded for what we're going to do. We just did that one little patch. Did the tops of the doors. The smoke is actually really hurting my throat because I've been sick for almost 3 weeks now. Did this patch, and then we did all this. I should have done that before I did the rear quarter panels because it kind of pulled it away, but that's okay, whatever. Did the top of the doors. Doesn't look spectacular, but it's done. We're just going to hammer this side down so it looks like the other side. We did the driver door. We just got to do all this one now and then get this door tied shut. Sorry, we're not going to tie the driver door shut yet because we still have to get in and out of this car a lot. I do want to change the steering wheel and a lot of fun stuff like that. So I'm going to do a little bit of work to the passenger front door, and then move on to the inside. So we got the 2 front doors folded over and welded. We got them tied shut with the seat belt. We got the rear plates on. I don't know if I did that in the last video. We did fold the top of the driver door, but we did not tie it shut because I still have to get in, have to change out the steering wheel, finish off things like this. Lots of stuff to still be done. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pretty much just bolt down this engine because that's one of the items that's still on the list because I haven't bolted it down. So we're going to do that, and then we'll be right back to see what else we can do. So guys, a lot of work has been done on this. We got all the doors rolled. We got the rear doors completely done. We got the passenger front door completely done, rolled and welded. We got the engine bolted down. We got the hood on, which has all been bolted down. The list is getting smaller and smaller every day, boys and girls. This car is going to make it. We are very well ahead of schedule, and we can start doing our test and tune soon. But there's still some more things that we got to do. We got to build another car for Derby that's actually before this. So still lots of stuff that we got to do out here, okay? Whoa. So we ended up folding the hood a couple times. Just a couple. We just got to see how this thing fits now. I think the proper term we were looking for is like a glove. We want this thing to fit. Oh, that's heavy. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. Alright, I need a hood prop. So when you're fitting your hood, you want to take extra care to make sure that all of your body lines match up perfectly. Because that's how you can tell if the thing's been in an accident. If the body lines don't match up with the car. Like, you see this body gap right here? This tells me this has been in an accident. Oh, that's a good one. So guys, we're working on this car. We got the brakes all bled today. That was a team effort between Tabitha and I. We got the bumper painted green and mossy kind of brown. We got the rear tires all done. I built a whole bunch of extras of these because I really like these tires and I don't think there's too many people out there doing what I do. So we got a whole bunch of extra ones made to bring with us just in case we get some flats in the back. Everything on this car is coming great, but I want to tell you guys the name of this thing. I've kind of been working with Forge Graphics in Oakville Blueprinting. So Forge Graphic is the guy that does all the graphic design of the wraps, and then Oakville Printing does the printing of the graphics and the mailing of them. So I've been kind of working with them a lot, and I want to show you guys some of the cool designs I've come up with. So first off, let's talk about this thing. There was a lot of cool names that you guys commented which you think would be best, but the one I liked the most was... Now I got this wrap specialty made for... I'm still going to call it Mini Meltdown. You guys are just going to call it Meltdown. Are you guys ready? So this is a one-off wrap for this truck, this car. It's called Swamp Monster. We got 171 Swamp Monster. We got a scary little monster right on there. And we have Forge Graphics, Zacks Workshop, Mini Meltdown, and Spinning Wheels. Those are the promoters actually for the show we're going to. So I figure because this car is designed and this wrap is designed just for this one show, why not show some support for the actual promoter? You know, these promoters put on a lot of time to actually put on these shows. But this is not the only wrap. I have had, I think, 4 wraps, maybe 5 wraps made in the last couple months by this Forge Graphics and the Blueprint design, Oakville Blueprint, because I have some cool ideas. So Steven and my buddy Jesse are on a 2-man team show coming up in Dresden. I think it's in 2 weeks. Believe it or not, they haven't even started working on their trucks yet. But, me being the good friend I am, and I'm not going to be able to make it this event, I got a door wrap specialty made for them by Forge Graphics and printed out by Oakville Blueprint Design. And, with all of the recent hype going on, these guys both drive bulldozers for a living. Komatsu D355A, and then the Killdozer. So these guys are going to be running the Komatsu name down at the Demolition Derby because they both are heavy equipment operators. Oh, I just dropped that one in the oil. Don't tell Steven. Jeez, don't tell Steven. But, yeah, we're just going to keep this quiet. Hush, hush. Let's just wrap these up. Get all the engine oil off of them. But these guys are going to be going down there running as a 2-man team show with probably super underbuilt trucks. Mostly because of, I'm going to say, unpreparedness. But they're going to have some cool graphics to go with their vehicles, I'll tell you that. I did order an extra one of these Killdozers, so should I do a giveaway here, guys? Thanks to Zacks Workshop, Forge Graphics, and Oakville Blueprint Design. You guys thinking I should do that? Do you think the name fits this one for Mini Meltdown? You guys commented a couple times, so I think it fits. I think it does it good. Leave a comment down below on what you guys think. Tomorrow, we're probably going to pull this thing out and we're going to start pre-bending the back of it. But as of right now, all of the suspension's in it, all the tires are on it, they're all holding air, even the back ones. We got the hood on, we got all the holes drilled, we got the vehicle running. I might put a second battery into it, I'm not 100% sure yet. But, we did our quick release steering wheel today. No, I think this thing's coming along pretty damn good. So do you guys like the name of it? Do you like the door wraps? The Forge graphics is really good. I just kind of type them what I have pictured inside my head, which is hard to do sometimes because I picture some different things in there. And then I send them to him and give a brief design of what I'm looking for. And you know what? He seems to nail it just about every time that I send it to him. And I'm pretty happy about that. So guys, make sure you keep an eye out for Steven and Jesse down in Dresden with these cool door wraps. And then I do have the Swamp Monster door wrap as well.
My truck's not done help.
Yeah, they haven't even started it.
No, I have stripped it.
He says he's got
The seats are out of it.
Don't you have to put the heat seats back in?
The back seats.
He's got the back seats out of it, so he's in great shape.
Couple side doors.
It's like, they call it stock trucks, but it's not stock trucks.
Yeah, it's stock.
Ish.
It's not getting any body mounts or nothing. It'll just get a bumper. It's fine.
So any of you guys want to drive to Steven's house and help him, he'll greatly take all the help he can.
That part is, you're probably going to upload this. It's going to be time.
Probably.
Yeah. Fuck.
But, speaking of that, I'm pretty much done for the night. I usually wake up pretty early, and it's pretty damn late outside. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later. Tomorrow, like I said, we're planning to pre-bend the back of this thing. Don't tell him I dropped the door wraps in the mud and the oil and everything on this ground. You guys got that secret for me? Shh. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.